Welcome. If your Elektron music box starts showing you many horizontal lines, it has malfunction and need to be fixed. In this video I will show you how to replace the faulty display with a few tools, with new display which you can order for free to your country by contacting the Elektron support team. I did it, I got mine replaced, and I filmed the process of it for you to learn how to do it by yourself in a home environment. Let's get straight to it. To get under the faceplate, you need to power off unit, remove power supply jack, and undo every screw and knob caps. I'll show you how to undo caps lately. Now use 2mm hex key to undo every bolt. I'll speed up video to make it shorter, and you can remove caps first and unscrew bolts next as well. Now let's take a look at how to remove caps. Form pliers with your fingers and hug the knob. Then, leaning on the faceplate, pull knob up. And with dry fingers it's easier to do than to say. I will remove all the caps and speed up the video to make it shorter. To remove a faceplate, prepare a pair of posts which will hold and prevent board from scratching. Detach two flex cables with slightly angled faceplate. Use Torx T10 key with handle to undo all board screws. I recommend to use a pumping desoldering iron to desolder every connection point in a minute without overheating the board and lifting the pads. Wait for the iron to get hot enough and be able to suck solder from the connection hole. Witness solder from the other side and suck it with the iron to release the pin when it melts. As you can see, all holes are nearly cleared and requires a little more cleaning job. Release the plastic posts to be able to pull the display from the board while desoldering and releasing the pins of the connector. Repeat the same process quickly, running all holes and testing how each pin becomes free from solder. This process will take some repetitions. At the end, each point will be released and you will be able to detach display from the board. As you can see, the display is off, holes are empty from the solder, and everything is clear and without damage. And now we are getting ready to the next stage, with traditional iron and new display. And all we need is to remove posts and mount it to the new display to get display on the board. What we need to do is to align display, click the post into the holes and solder it back to the board. As you can see, it process is simple. You just align, pick two opposite pins, fix them, solder in between, check the quality. Here I can see some pins are not good soldered. There are too few solder on the pins, and I decided to add more to get connection better, and check it and reflow again, switching from side to side. And now I do cleaning and assembling the board without removing plastic protecting film, just in case I need to fix something. And we are assembling just for the purpose of pre-testing and pre-assembling to see what's going on with the display and everything fine, using posts, angling board to get a better reach for the flex cables, and removing a little of dust here and there. Display is working fine, and now we need to remove protective film from the screen and clean excessive dust from the board as well. Film is off. Get ready to the final assembly. Just adding all of the screws in place. Again, connecting flex cables, checking power on, and screwing the bolts and adding caps to the shafts of the encoders and resistors. Few of them are not easy to address, and everything went well. And the old screen will probably be used in a different project. Currently I'm working on the cheapest screen substitution for Analog 4 Mark I. And in case you need the detailed video about replacing process of display on Digi boxes, 1 hour video will be hosted on my Patreon page. Please subscribe and enjoy becoming magician with new soldering skills. Have a good day and have fun making music.